early start, which isn't really ideal for a Saturday, but I'm gonna get up and crack on with the errands. My husband's got to sort some stuff out with the car, and then we're hoping to take Riley to the cinema. There's a Peppa Pig release, and like most kids his age, he's like a big fan, so I've got to blitz our bedroom and just do like a bit of a tidy, and then move on downstairs and get ready for the day. He's just over in the corner just playing on his Amazon Kindle, as you can see him just there, and chilling out. So while he's still calm and he's had a little bit of breakfast, I'm gonna have a little tidy. One section is kind of tidy-ish. We keep Riley's nappies, lotions and hair stuff in there, and then he can come and have like a little toy box area. And then over here he's just got like some books and things that he can come and like pick up and play with. And then we're practicing potty training, so we've got his little potty there. He's just taken the flushy element. Thankfully it doesn't take too long to tidy and blitz through our room. Obviously we've got Riley's bed just over there, so I need to just tidy that up as well. The only thing that's always a bit tricky is trying to hoover, because he absolutely hates a hoover. And guys, excuse the noise, I don't know, neighbours nearby clearly had a very good Friday night and they're still going, so there's lots of shouting, lots of swearing, and just lots of banter in the background. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly wrap up in here, and if anyone else is up around the house, maybe Riley can play with them while I try and have a quick hoover, and then it's gonna be bath time. Guys, it's midday and I've got a man down. So he's finally napping after that silly 6 o'clock start. But we popped downstairs and I gave him something to eat, and then did a little bit of ironing, but I didn't film any of that because my mother-in-law and my husband were doing a bit of vacuuming with Rug Doctor, so it was so noisy. I just kind of got on with it, so I'm going to pop Riley down in his bed to have a little bit of a nap, and then while he's napping, hopefully I can put my face on. my makeup and I feel a little bit more alive. I probably took longer than I normally would, and I was sitting there for about 20 minutes. Normally I can do it in about 10 to 15 on like a weekday. Okay, so slight change of plan. I was about to film the video for tomorrow, and Riley woke up from his nap, so he is back on my back just so that he can squeeze in a little bit more sleep time before we go to the cinema, because I want him to actually enjoy it and be able to sit still as possible for a toddler, which isn't going to be that still. And then hubby just in the corner, wave babe. He's just getting ready. We've got his little shoes, which are so cute. So Converse did a special range for little kids called Dinoverse, and I picked up some for Riley. They look absolutely trashed, but he wears them to nursery. They're so easy because we're trying to teach him how to put his own shoes on. So instead of the ones that have like a fake sort of string element that you have to pull up and a fake tongue, this is just so much easier to slip in keeping with the dinosaur theme. It's like a two-part compartment bag, which is really handy. So I've got a section where we've got some pull-ups and wipes, and then at the front just here you've got like a little bit of medicine or like tissue or anything you might need, a little bit of Vaseline. And then in here he normally has his change of clothes, drinks, snacks, and maybe sometimes like a little toy just to keep him occupied. So just packing that, and then we're gonna head out in the next 20 minutes. But I actually haven't had anything to eat except some biscuits, so I'm absolutely starving. Keep going. So we've just wrapped up at the cinema and it didn't go very well, did it? We lasted about 45 minutes and then he wanted to come out 10 minutes before it actually ended. So now we're just gonna walk down the high street and do a bit of shopping. But this one was just like, this is why I never want to come out, hilarious. But yeah, he's currently happy, sitting in his buggy.